101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Good evening, smart people and smart listeners at home, of course. Okay, see you again here at usually at 7 p.m. We have a special program with BPEC, namely discussion Smart Up Your Life with BPEC, of course. Hi, guys. Yeah, as usually, I'm not alone here. We have already here from BPEC, and yeah, how are you guys?
Yeah, I'm fine.
What about you?
I'm really good.
BPEC.
Wow,
Right,
bright
right.
and breezy.
Okay, giving applause first for us. Yeah, week by week, of course, absolutely, we have a special topic, and our topic is very interesting. Yeah, this evening because we will talk about music, and when we talking about music, yeah. A lot of music genre from all of the world, including in Indonesia, and Indonesia is the most richest, music genre from all of the world. And not only that, we have an authentic and genuine music genre from originally from Indonesia, namely dangdut. Oh my God! And that's why we will talk about this topic. And our topic this evening is dangdut is the music of our country. Let's give it applause first. Okay, before we are talking about our special topic, I wanna ask you guys to introduce yourself as usually, and of course, introduce what is BPEC itself. Okay, start from you.
Well, hello everyone. My name is Fikri and I'm part of BPC too. Yeah, that's all I guess. Should I introduce what BPC is?
Yeah.
Well, BPC guys stands for Benteng Panua English Club. Well, it is the oldest English community in Makassar, and then there are a lot of benefits that you can get from joining BPSC. The first one, you can get a lot of friends, and most importantly, you're gonna get a lot of knowledge related to English. You're gonna improve your speaking skill, grammar, pronunciation, etc. related to English. And if you want to join us, just follow BPEC's Instagram at BPEC Makassar, and then you are going to join our community for free. So don't hesitate to come, guys, because we are going to welcome you. Yeah.
Okay,
that's all.
welcome to our second home, Fikri.
Yes.
the ex-president of BPEC. Oh my God, thank you. What about you? Could you introduce yourself to smart
hello.
people and listeners here?
Okay, hello, smart listener. Welcome back. This is Mr. Nahwi talking to you. So, yeah, as usual, my name is Nahwi. You may call me Nahwi, and I come from Goa. Recently graduated from Unismu Makassar. Nice to meet you all.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. But first, we want to say congratulations for our new president. Yeah, Amira, for elected yesterday as a new president for the third woman president.
Yeah,
BPEC, right? Okay, congratulations for you. Anyway, are you ready for our topic this evening?
I am really ready.
Yeah.
I'm excited, by the way.
Yeah, our topic is like this is a very, very unusual but interesting topic,
Yeah, sure.
because we will talk about our our originality music genre. But I don't know this is popular or not. I don't know, because sometimes popular, sometimes not. Especially from the teenager or millennials, right? Gen Z, Gen Y, like that. Sometimes they are very liked. Sometimes they are. Oh, I don't like it. Sorry. Okay. Okay. And how do you think about our topic this evening?
Yes,
Fikri.
yeah, I think it's really interesting because I never expected that we're going to talk about dangdut in this podcast, because we are talking in English.
Yeah.
But we talk about something that is still unpopular with our language. Like people using English, actually most of them don't know about what dangdut is. But we are talking about dangdut using their language. So I think that's kind of interesting to talk about it.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's time to introduce our music genre to another country from all over the world, right?
Yeah, I also think that it's a good idea to talk about dangdut by using this podcast, because not only do Indonesian people can understand what we are talking about, but also people outside of Indonesia, so that we can like share about our like very lovely culture from Indonesia, which is dangdut.
Ah, nice. Okay, keep your statement. What about you, Nahui? How do you
Yeah.
think about our topic this evening?
Yeah, well, probably the same as our brother before. It's very interesting, and then I think this is the way we introduce our music, especially dangdut, yeah, because we are talking in English, and I do hope that by talking it to English, it will
Yeah.
be like well known by the people outside of Indonesia,
Mhm.
and then probably we can discuss each other about especially our favorite music in dangdut.
Mhm.
Yeah, I'm excited to wait about it.
Okay. Did you know a history about dangdut itself?
Well, actually, I've done sort of research
Uh-huh.
in sort of articles. I just read it anyway. So actually, dangdut is one of our music actually, but that is partly derived as well as fused by certain genres such as Hindustan or Arabic,
Yeah.
Melayu,
Yeah.
and etc. So most of the influence is coming from there. So later on, it will be well known by dangdut. So yeah, I think that's all.
Hey, you did it. You know, you knew about it.
Alhamdulillah.
Anyway, do you have a special, I mean, a favorite song of dangdut? Do you have?
Of course.
Which one?
Begadang jangan begadang.
Begadang.
In English, you can say "stay up, don't stay up."
It's funny.
It's kind of funny. Yeah, I really love that music because it was popular when I was kid, if I'm not mistaken. And then most of the
Uh-huh.
people around me always sang that's kind of song. So yeah, still those kind of memory is still ingrained within my mind.
Can you repeat Begadang?
Begadang, jangan begadang. I do apologize if my voice is very bad, guys.
Okay, what about you? Did you know about this history about dangdut
well,
itself?
if now he said before that he's done like several research before he came here, I myself think that I don't need to do such kind of research because actually my father is a big fan of Roma Irama.
Oh, wow.
So that is why when I was a kid till now, I always listen about the history of dangdut from my father's story about Roma Irama. Well, what Navi explained before has answered it, several of it,
Yeah.
and then one of the things that I want to edit is that like actually at that time, if I'm not mistaken, this is like Roma Irama at the time really liked to sing like India dangdut,
Yeah.
and at the time Roma Irama decided to make the lyrics into Indonesia, and at the end of the day, like longer by longer, Roma Irama add it some Indonesian instruments in it, and then at the end of the day, it becomes dangdut that we know until right now.
Okay,
So that's what I know about the history. I don't know if it's true or not.
Yeah, okay. Do you have a special favorite? I mean, favorite song in dangdut? Do you have?
Actually, like several months ago, dangdut songs always got viral in TikTok, and
Okay.
then one of my favorite is like
Which one?
Hanya Dia.
What the title of that song? What the
Wait.
title?
I forgot
What the
it.
title?
What's do you know the title? of
Which
it?
one? Which one?
I don't know.
Do you know?
No idea.
I forgot it.
Okay, I tell you.
Yeah.
Pecah seribu.
Oh, just
Okay, this is a very interesting. So, talk about dangdut. Actually, it's our music genre, original, right? This is haven't yet won, how to say, 100 tahun. Ini belum 100 tahun in Indonesia. It means that this is the one of a new music genre in the world. Not like pop, not like R&B, jazz. Not. This is it's young. Yeah, it's very young because belum 100 tahun. Yeah, so. Sometimes when we talk about dangdut, many people's like, okay, how to say it? It's
Like outdated.
yeah, it's like a quote. Okay, am I must be too how to say honest to I like it. I don't like it. How do you think about the people that feel like that?
Well, I actually one of the people who are being like that because like sometimes I really like to listen dangdut songs because like
Uh-huh.
sometimes when I'm bored to listen about pop music,
Okay.
like Western music, like
Okay.
it is really nice. It is really calm to listen about dangdut songs. But we cannot deny that, especially in my age right now,
Mhm.
they still judge dangdut itself. They still think that dangdut is really outdated. Dangdut is like not our age music, like it's not suitable with us. So that is why like sometimes I am still close that I always listen to dangdut music
Okay.
because I'm afraid to be judged by my friends.
Mhm.
That's all, I guess.
Sometimes you feel like that.
Yeah, sometimes I feel like that. So yeah.
Okay. What about you?
Okay, could you please repeat your
I mean,
question?
are you sometimes feel like, oh my God, like awkward, like ill feel? Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Okay. I don't like it. I like it. But sometimes you,
okay, okay.
how
I
to say,
understand, I got
how to say, it's like confused to take decision that,
confused,
okay, I like it. I don't like it. Do
Okay.
you get my point?
Yeah, I got it. Yeah, actually, yeah, I myself think that it is probably because of influence, yeah,
Yeah.
especially that coming from outside of the country. Because
Mhm.
what I know is that most of the times, especially teenagers, yeah,
Yeah.
only know or only love the music, especially the Western one. So probably because of that, the moment when they listen this kind of music, they feel like a little bit awkward because they seldom to listen to this kind of music. But I myself, yeah, probably I would say I'm not that awkward when I listen to dangdut music. It depends on the song actually. The moment when I really like the song, yeah, probably I like it. But and then probably we don't need to show our expression of we don't need to feel like awkward because there are certain songs that popular in dangdut itself. So I think being awkward or feeling awkward it's totally not necessary to begin with. And then yeah, back to the previous statement, like I've said before,
Yeah.
everyone has their own taste of music, and then we cannot judge them as well. So yeah, I think that's also it depends on the individuals because we have a variety of music taste. That's all.
Yeah, oh, yeah, that's cool. That's cool statement about it. Okay, because we will continue our conversation.
Yeah.
So don't go anywhere. Stay tuned on Smart FM 101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia.
Bye.